Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new, welcome to my mess. So I bought a new shelf over there, and I decided I'm going to put my makeup on there, my makeup palettes, because I have them over there on that side, but it's too close to that radiator, because in the winter I put her cat tree over there because she likes to sleep on the radiator because it's warm, but it's too warm for those pallets. And I changed this room. Around while I was doing holiday cleaning. I got my own internet service in here in this room now. And I changed my room around so I could have the center of the room open so I could go back and forth from where I film one channel, which I'll be decorating that one corner. And then this is going to be like a mixture of magical stuff and makeup, because that's what I am, makeup and magic. All right, so I want to kind of get all the palettes onto that new shelf. So if this kind of stuff interests you, I'm just gonna start. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'll probably put this to music, and if the camera's bumping around, it's because my cat suddenly loves the table it's sitting on. All right, I'm going to pause this for a second, make sure the camera's set up, and then we'll start moving stuff over onto the new shelf. Okay, guys, that's what I did so far. As you can see, all my makeup eyeshadow palettes are there. And I put the face masks here. My brush is there. I'm going to move the lipsticks over on top of the stand. But I didn't want to bore you to death. So I will get this all finished up. And maybe after Christmas I will make another video and show you how everything went. I'm waiting on a one of those things you put on the wall to hold the TV up. So some of that witchy stuff will be going back over on the stand after I get the TV hung up on the wall. It just didn't get here yet. So I think that's going to be it for the day. I know this wasn't the greatest video and I don't have the greatest setup, but there's my new shelf. All eyeshadow, top to bottom. Well, the bottom box isn't. That has all my foundations and stuff like that in it. So that's what I did. I'm going to try to have all the makeup stuff on this side and then put books back over on the other side. Except for like some of the Jeffrey memorabilia, like I got the purses and all that. I might hang them up. I don't know yet. So that's it for today. You gotta excuse the mess. I'm going to get these books put away, get the dust off of everything, straighten out these bookshelves. And like I said, after Christmas, maybe I'll show you the finished product, but I'll tape it from my phone. So that way you guys can see. But anyway, moving my room around made it easier for my morning meditations and easier to film, to be honest, once I have it set up. I've just been dawdling around because I'm busy with holiday stuff. All right. So please like and subscribe if you like this kind of content. And I will see you later. Bye.